Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video and a view into Huck's World. And today we got a nice Easter watch face. For those of you all who celebrate Easter, happy Easter. Now my man VL Watch Faces got down on this one. The name of the watch face is called VL Happy Easter. Very simple, but yet nice. Now in the AOD mode, you are going to get a nice look for the Gears 3 and the Gears 2. It's going to look super awesome. And when the watch face is on, I do like the design. I like the color, the background, and I definitely love the animation that's going on within this watch face. But let's go ahead, let's take a look around. Now up at the top, you're going to get Happy Easter. That looks nice. Got your animated sun, you got your digital time, nice and bold, very legible. You're going to get the day of the week. You're going to also get your date. You got 2 Easter eggs along with the animated Easter bunny. What would have took this over the top is if the Easter bunny hopped every now and then, or at least when you touched it, but I like it. It is not a deal breaker. And right here, you're going to get your battery info and you got your animated steps, right? Now, it is inactive, so if I tap on Happy Easter, I can change the color of the Happy Easter to whatever color I would like. It gives you several colors in all, and they all look great. Again, your animated sun looks awesome. But if I tap right here on the digital time, I can go into my calendar, set an event. And if I want to change the color of the Easter eggs, I can at any given time. Both Easter eggs, people, I thought it was awesome. Single tap over here on my battery info, on the tree stump that is, and I can pull up my battery info. Here, if I tap on the animated steps, and I can bring up my step status for the week. So I thought my man VL Watch Faces did an excellent job with this watch face. I'm gonna say it's worth the download. All right, you all, if you're gonna celebrate Easter this weekend, have a safe and happy Easter. Enjoy family and friends. Of course, eat well, and make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And I want to see you all at the next video. Don't forget to subscribe. All right, you all, take care. Enjoy.